Dear students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from the chapter Pairs of Linear Equation in Two Variable. Question number 1. The system of kx minus y equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y equal to 3 has a unique solution only when. So here the question is given that unique solution. So what is the condition of a unique solution? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Here what is A1? K, B1 minus 1, C1 minus 2 and A2 equal to 6, B2 equal to minus 2 and C2 equal to minus 3. Substitute in this condition. So here K by 6 not equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Therefore, k can be written as it is not equal to 3. So the correct option is D, k not equal to 3. Then question number 2. If 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 6 and 1 by x plus 1 by 2y equal to 2, then find x and y. So here the two equations, equation number 1 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 6 and equation number 2 1 by x plus 1 by 2y equal to 2. So multiply 2 by 2. Okay, equation number 2 by 2. So this equation becomes 2 by x plus 2 by 2y is equal to 4. Okay, this can be reduced 2 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 4. That is the equation number 2. And subtracting it from 1. What happened here? So 2 by x minus 2 by x become 0. The next term is 3 by y minus 1 by y is equal to 6 minus 4. That's equal to 2 by y equal to 2. Then which implies y equal to 1. Substitute y equal to 1 in equation number 2. So we get 1 by x plus 1 by 2 equal to 2. So after the calculation you will get x equal to 2 by 3. So which one is the correct answer? Y equal to 1 and x equal to 2 by 3. That is option number B. Then question number 3. If the lines given by 3x plus 2ky equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 equal to 0 are parallel, then the value of k is. The equation is given that two lines are parallel. So what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So what is A1? 3, B1 2k, C1 minus 2, A2 2, B2 5 and C2 equal to 1. So substitute in the condition. So this condition becomes 3 by 2 equal to 2k by 5 not equal to minus 2 by 1. So which implies k equal to 15 by 4. So the correct option is D. Question number 4. The father's age is 6 times his son's age. 4 years hence, the age of the father will be 4 times of his son's age. The present ages of the son and the father are respectively. In the question, we have two objects. One is father's age and son's age. So let us consider x year be the present age of the father and y year is the present age of the son. So the first condition is father's age is 6 times his son. So this can be written as x equal to 6y, equation number 2. And the second condition is after 4 years. So ages will become x plus 4, that is the father's age, and y plus 4 is the son's age. So we have a condition 4 times of his son's age, that's equal to father's age after 4 years. So this can be written as x plus 4 equal to 4 into y plus 4. Okay, open the bracket in the right side. This becomes x plus 4 equal to 4y plus 16. And after calculation, this equation becomes x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. That is the equation number 1. Already we written x equal to 6y is the equation number 2. Then substituting x equal to 6y in equation number 1. So 6y minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then you will get y equal to 6. So y equal to 6, substitute in equation number 2, x can be written as 6 into 6, that is 36. So x is the present age of the father and y is the present age of the son. So the correct option is C, 6 and 36. Then question number 5. If a pair of linear equation is consistent, then the lines will be. So we have 4 options. We know what is meant by consistent. That is, in a pair of linear equations, we get one solution or infinitely many solutions that are called consistent. So here the option C, intersecting or coincident. Intersecting means we get only one solution and coincident means infinitely many solutions. So the correct option is intersecting or coincident. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.